Pure Joy by Sedona. It's pouring rain. All she's been wanting to do is jump in the puddles. When she went to bed last night, when she woke up this morning, we promised her when we got home from school today she could jump in the puddles. So we've got her all decked out. All in her raincoat, rain pants. Let's see some splashing. Jump, jump, jump. Sedona, can you say hi? Can you look at me and give a quick wave? Okay, let's see a big jump. All right, and back to the big puddles, further down the driveway.
Yeah, it's the hose.
Let's see one more puddle jump. Ready, go. She doesn't even notice it's raining. All right, we're going to sign off. Say bye, Sedona.